Welcome to Shikta NZ Kayak Fishing. Today I'm in a renowned fishing, surfing and holiday destination, Papamoa. As I paddled, I found some interesting sign on my fish finder. I cast a soft bait and immediately I hooked into something big. My reel was screaming, my rod fully bent, but moments later the leader snapped. A closer inspection of the leader, I suspect it was bitten by a shark. I've always found the fishing very tough in Papamoa, so I was very fortunate to be fishing alongside the locals to get some much needed tips and advice.
And a 5/8.
At this time the sun was up and my soft baits were attracting very small bites. I dropped a micro jig and the interest in it was immediate. Unfortunately, my micro jigs were also attracting small snapper, so off he went to grow a little bigger.
How much for snapper we can say, by the way?
It was a tough morning in Papamoa and I didn't catch a fish. In the next episode, me and the boys head down the east coast to see if I can catch a feed. Thanks for watching.